Are you fed up with the same old advice that's been recycled for generations? Go to school, get a job, retire at 65. Sounds like a broken record, right? Well, today, I'm about to reveal the raw, unfiltered truth that can catapult you out of the rat race and into a life you've only dreamed of. This isn't just another video, it's a wake-up call. So, if you're ready to stop being a pawn in someone else's game and start being the king or queen of your own destiny, you can't afford to miss a single second of this. The illusion of security. Let's dive right in and talk about the grand illusion that's been sold to us. The illusion of security. You've been spoon-fed this idea that life is a linear path. You go to school, you get good grades, you go to college, and then you land a secure job. But let's dissect that for a moment. What does a cure even mean? A steady paycheck, health benefits, a retirement plan that you can tap into when you're too old to enjoy? Here's the harsh reality, that so-called security is a golden cage. Sure, it's comfortable, but it's still a cage. You're trading your time, your freedom, and your dreams for a paycheck that barely covers your expenses. You're stuck in a cycle, living paycheck to paycheck, saving up for the weekend, and then doing it all over again. That's not a life, that's a loop. A never-ending loop that keeps you running on the hamster wheel, but never actually getting anywhere. You see, this illusion of security is designed to keep you compliant, to keep you in the system. It's a control mechanism. The moment you realize that this security is nothing but a mirage, you take the first step toward freedom. You start questioning the norms, challenging the status quo, and seeking alternatives. And that, my friends, is the first step to escaping the rat race. You have to break free mentally before you can break free physically and financially. The power of financial education. All right, now that we've shattered some illusions, let's talk about something schools conveniently forget to teach. Financial education. You see, understanding money isn't just about knowing how to count coins or balance a checkbook. It's about understanding assets, liabilities, investments, and most importantly, how to make your money work for you. You need to learn how to invest in things that will bring you passive income. That's money that you earn without actively working for it. Imagine making money while you sleep. That's the dream, right? Well, it's entirely possible, but only if you educate yourself financially. The importance of skill building. I'm not talking about being able to recite the periodic table or solve complex equations. I'm talking about real-world skills that can actually make you money. Whether it's coding, graphic design, or even public speaking, these are the skills that can set you apart in the marketplace. You see, the more skilled you are, the more valuable you become. And when you're valuable, you have the leverage to escape the 9-to-5 grind and create your own destiny. The network effect. All right, let's shift gears and talk about networking. You've probably heard the saying, it's not what you know, but who you know. And there's a lot of truth to that. Building a strong network can open doors for you that no amount of education or experience can. But here's the kicker. Networking isn't just about collecting contacts. It's about building relationships. It's about connecting with people on a deeper level and providing value to them. When you do that, you become a person of influence and opportunities will naturally come your way. Taking calculated risks. You see, the rat race is comfortable because it's predictable. But if you want to achieve something extraordinary, you have to step out of your comfort zone. You have to take calculated risks. Whether it's starting a side hustle, investing in the stock market, or even moving to a new city for better opportunities, taking risks is an integral part of escaping the rat race. Remember, I said calculated risks. This means doing your homework, weighing the pros and cons, and then taking informed actions.